In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a video to PDF. So here, this is a gobeasily.com. So first going on this website, then after login, then you can face this dashboard. Now you need to paste your Google Drive link. If you have your own video, you can upload on here. Upload a video on here. So I will try to upload a video from my computer. Okay, it's already processing. Now click on convert. So after this processing, you need to click on just get PDF. That's it. Okay, once you're processing these kinds of things, you need to click on get PDF. That's it. So you are maybe going on the next page. So wow, it's already downloaded to my computer as a PDF. You can see it's 11 page, maybe 7 by 11. Okay, that's good. So this is the method how you can download a video to PDF. See if you found this video helpful for me. Like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.